again. As always, I am Bald Ross, and today we're going to paint miniatures from the Star Wars Legion box set. So let's get to grabbing our proper Skywalker glove and get to our painting. But first, a message from one of my Sophies.
Hi, I'm Sophie, won the 700 Selfless Promotion Succubus. It's been 2 seconds, so by now you should be in my power. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Oh, and if you think we did a really good job and want to help us grow, leave us some love on the thanks heart. Now go watch Bald Ross do his sweet thing, making models ting, then watch the end of the video for a surprise.
Okay, my people, we're going to start off our stormtroopers here by doing a base coating and getting all the guns in the backpacks with one quick layer of black. Go ahead next and grab Mr. Little Old Dry Brush, and we're going to get our initial layer of the gloves and the guns with gun metal. For the next layer of our stormtroopers here, we're going to use a combination of Mr. Little Old Dry Brush, and then he's going to tag in Mr. Airbrush, and we're going to use an awful lot of white to build our layer. For our stormtroopers, we're going to AC/DC this up just a little bit by coming back to black and filling in all the black parts with just straight up black and one small layer of black shade. our stormtroopers next, we're going to put a little pizzazz on the guns, and to do that, we're going to use a combination of white and signal red. For the Stormtrooper's command cuff, we're going to use a combination of Orange Fire and Cassandra Yellow. We're going to fill in the last parts of our command cuff and a few other minor parts on our Stormtrooper here with Known Oil. Start our Stormtrooper braces, we're going to use a combination of glue and then next on to a partial pebble plunge. We're going to finish off our base here by bringing the shock and having our Stormtroopers jump in the flock. And finally here, we're going to go ahead and tap back in just a little old airbrush, and we're going to spray our Stormtroopers here with a more than generous final coat of gloss varnish to really bring home that Stormtrooper shiny smell.
what you've all been waiting for, the rotating reveal. Thanks for watching. If you want Studio Baldross to paint something for you, check out the links on the homepage or Etsy. And don't forget to click on our other videos.